My part of Britain, Scotland, voted to stay inside the EU. And there are a lot of people in Scotland who hope that Scotland can become independent of the UK and then apply to rejoin the EU as a new EU country. But that would require lots of changes of rules and speeding things up. Do you think the EU would look favourably upon that?
No, I want to stop myself from saying something, too blunt, because
don't. Yeah, be as blunt as you like.
Sometimes I feel that I am Scot here. I'm very Scottish now, especially after Brexit. But at the same time, I have to respect. I know how important the word sovereignty, integrity was in the internal debate in the United Kingdom. I think it's not my role to intervene in even.
No, I understand.
Despite my sympathies and. If you ask me about legal circumstances,
yes,
what
that's
is possible, we have to be here very cautious. We have our own treaty. If I understand well, but of course you can always interpret also treaties in very different ways. But if I understand well, the only and the justified interpretation is that if something like, for example, the independence of Scotland. Happens, then we need anyway a regular new process of. There's no automaticity that,
it's a new situation.
New situation, new country. Then it means a new process of.
Because this would be a country whose people had been part of the EU for a very long time, and there'd be all sorts of questions about currency and deficits and all of those kind of things. But I think the real question is. If Edinburgh was looking for a bit of help from Brussels, would it get it? Emotionally,
I have no doubt that everyone will be enthusiastic here in Brussels and more widely, more generally also in Europe. But we have still treaties and some formalities. But if you ask me about our emotions and this, genuine feeling, of course, you will witness, I think, only empathy.